Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be creating a color changing slash temperature changing nail set, and I will be showing you guys how I created it. So as you can see, I am going to be starting off by going in with my Madam Glam Perfect Black, and you will also be needing a UV LED lamp. Since this is a gel polish, you obviously will need it to cure it. So as you can see, what I will start off by doing is going in with my gel polish and starting to apply this to my acrylic nails. So as you can see, I did already have a white base, so obviously to create this effect you do want to have a black base so that way you could actually see the effect on the nails. So as you can see, I am going to be starting off by applying my black gel polish onto my nails, and like I did already say, I did have a white base, but you can already have a black base if that makes it easier for you. But obviously, as you could see, I already had a white base. So as you can see, all I will be doing is applying the gel polish to all of my nails, and I will go ahead and cure them for 60 seconds each, as well as do not forget to clean your cuticle, because since you are applying gel polish and once you go ahead and put it in the lamp, it will go ahead and cure. So just a little FYI, and this is everything that I will be doing to all the nails. Make sure to clean your sides as you've seen here, and like I said, I will go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds, and I will be doing this to all the nails. after they're done curing, this is what they ended up looking like. I absolutely love this gel polish. It's just my favorite black gel polish. And then here I will be using this brush, and this is the product that I will be going in with to create that mood ring, color changing, temperature changing effect. So I will make sure to link down below all the products, so make sure to go do that, and make sure to go use the code if it's available. And when you're using this product, you want to be very careful. You also want to make sure and read the directions. So it did say to shake it, so as you can see, and I shaked it, and then here is the product, and this is what the product looks like. And I kind of just used this nail brush that I wasn't using anymore, or actually I've never used it, so I kind of just used it for this. But you do want to go in with like a flat round brush, kind of like this, so that way you could get into those little corners of your nails around the cuticle. And you just want to apply this to the whole nail, as I am here. And as you could see, I did apply quite a bit of it, so I honestly didn't know how much you were supposed to put on, but I kind of just winged it and put, like, you know, somewhat of a good layer on there. So I did do this to all my nails, and then you will see the effect starting to change. So this is what it looked like once I was kind of just letting it dry. As you can see here with the process of it, I did speed it up for you guys, even though it might still be long, but this is just how long it took. And I would honestly say on the packaging it does say to let it dry until you start seeing the effect. So I actually let it dry for, I would say, almost maybe tops, I would say like maybe 10 minutes, because obviously you guys only see me doing one hand, but obviously I was doing the other one. So once this hand was done drying, I started on my other one, and I put the product on top of my other one, and then I let that one dry. And once my other hand was dry, I started back on this hand, which you will see. Obviously I do show you guys like the end. So as you can see here, it's starting to form that effect, which is so cool to me. So I don't know what you would call this. Definitely comment down below what you would call this design, effect. Obviously it is color, temperature, mood, ring change. I honestly don't know, but I thought it was really cool, and I did want to give you guys a tutorial in case anybody wanted to give it a try. So as you could see, my cuticle is like drying up, and then towards the free edge of my natural nail is where it's still drying. So here I'm just leaving you guys to see the process of how it's drying. And if you guys didn't notice, I did go ahead and do my nails stiletto, which I've never ever done my nails stiletto. And Actually, by the time you guys see this video, I will probably already change my design, but here just showing you guys real quick different angles. But I have been having my stilettos on for quite a little bit now by the time you guys see this video. So yeah, I'm really excited, and honestly I will have to say that these stilettos have definitely been giving me a hard time. I will say that it's just something new, something you do have to adapt to, as some of you nail techs or nail enthusiasts or clients may know. Whenever you're trying new things, obviously it is change. So yeah, this is what my nails ended up looking like, and I'm really excited to show you guys the final results. Another thing that I did want to talk about was, do not forget to follow me in my social media. I will have my Instagram link down below, as well as my TikTok. Make sure to go show some love on there if you guys haven't, and make sure to go check out my last video if you guys haven't either. I will have the link down below in the description, so make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And definitely comment down below if you guys think I should have went longer. As you guys know, I did break my pinky nail in half back in June, so this is like my first set back on. So I actually do have the set still on as you guys are watching this. Like I said, I will probably have to change the design, just because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did kind of get a little bit tired of the nails, only because when I'm working with nails, it kind of like messes them up and stuff, you know. If you guys know, you know. But yeah, I like to have different things on my nails, and my last set was actually a blinged out black set, which was my graduation set. So I was just kind of tired of like the black and like the darkness, I don't know. But yeah, definitely comment down below what else you guys want to see on my channel, what you guys want to see me do. Definitely make sure to comment down below and let me know down below in the comments. And here I will leave you guys watching the final drying process. So as you can see, this is them completely dry, and here I am just like messing with them so that way I could show you guys the effect. and this is what they look like. So obviously it does change with like cold and hot and stuff like that. So as you can see, this is what they ended up looking like, and I was so happy with the result. And like I said, so you kind of, this is my other hand, you kind of just like rub it or press on it and whatever, and it'll like change. So then I will be going in with the Hey Beautiful Luminosa Luxe Non-Wipe top coat, and I will be applying that for my top coat on the nails. So I will be applying this to all the nails, and I will go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds underneath the lamp. So this is them straight out of the lamp. As you could see, they do look like a dark blue color. And then here, as you could see, I will be going in with my choice of cuticle oil. But first, I did want to show you guys what the designs look like. So as you could see, you could obviously like put them under the water, rub on them, or press on them depending on like, I don't know, the temperature of your hands, temperature of the water, whatever the case may be. So as you can see, this is what they look like whenever I rubbed on them and pressed on them, as you can see. So they did change and then give it that effect that you want, which is that like mood ring effect, color changing temperature effect, as you can see. So then I did go ahead and apply my cuticle oil around my cuticles because they did look a little crusty, as you could see, and I did that to freshen them up. So I just went ahead and put the drops on, and then I rubbed on the cuticle oil. As you can see, make sure to always rub it in yourself and not let your clients do it. I feel like it's just now like a little peeve of mine, of me having to do it. So yeah, as you could see, I did go ahead and rub it, and this is the final result. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified every time I upload. As well as do not forget to check out the description for any discount codes that are available, as well as any of my social media, as well as the last video that I did post. Make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.